This is how I sound like on a live stream before real-time noise reduction, and this is how I sound after real-time noise reduction. Okay, there's no doubt about it, OBS is powerful for live streaming, but it's not so great when there's real-time noise going on and you want to remove it from the background. Now, obviously, having a noisy fan in the background is an extreme example, but with Waves ClarityVX, you can install this straight inside OBS in real time. Let me show you exactly how it works, because it's incredible. Okay, I've got my live stream up here ready to go, and I'm working right now with a very simple scene. It's basically my screen recording and the microphone plus the macOS screen capture. Now, just to note here, this works presently with Macs with Intel chips, so not the latest Silicon Macs, and PC. So if you've got those, you're good to go. All you have to do is install Waves plugins. I suggest taking out a Waves Essential subscription for around $12.50 a month, and then you'll get everything you need and more. Or if you prefer, go ahead and grab a perpetual license to this plugin. Now, this is where you'll click the three dots on your microphone and look for filters. Then click plus and look for VST 2.x plugin, and then you'll give it a nice friendly name, such as real-time noise. And once you've done that, you can then select your plugin, and in my case, I've got the Waves Studio Rack for OBS ready to go. I select that, and then I have the opportunity to open my plugin interface. It's really easy to use. All I need to do here is go ahead and insert one plugin. Now, if I wanted to use presets, and there are specific presets I created inside Studioverse, just type in MRC, do a quick search, and you'll see my face will pop up with some change you can try out for yourself. But in this example, I'm going to keep it really simple, and I'm going to install one plugin, and it's going to be Clarity. So you'll see I'm looking for ClarityVX here. This is the real-time noise reduction, and as you can see, when I select it, it will insert into the effects rack. Now you'll see that I'm talking, and in real time, this plugin is picking up my input and reducing the noise, plus I'm getting the output gain, all going through to OBS here, right there in real time, zero latency. It's incredible. And the way to use this is to simply crank up the noise reduction until you hit 100%. Obviously, you probably don't want to go nuts with that. Just dial it into the right amount for you. Let's try it out on a little example here. So I can be talking along as much as I like with noise in the background, and then I'll kick in with the real-time noise reduction plugin, and you'll hear how my voice changes in real time despite this noisy fan still going in the background. Notice how clever this plugin is. Now, you've got two neural networks here, Broad 1, which is good if you've got multiple speakers, but if you're focusing on a single speaker, switch over to Broad 2. If it's only you on the live stream, that's really going to help. And with analysis, keep it on single. If you go to double, that's for stereo tracks. So as a speaker, generally we just have one single track. No need to worry about the width. This is the easiest plugin ever to use on your live stream. And then you just choose the right amount of noise reduction. Usually somewhere between 20 and 40% is going to be enough to make your live stream sound a whole lot better in real time. You can even see on the screen when I'm not talking, I've got around minus 40 dB of background noise. And when I crank this up to 100%, watch what happens to that noise. No background noise whatsoever. It's an incredible plugin from Waves ClarityVX. Now, you can buy this on its own, usually around the $50 mark. When it's on sale, it's a great plugin. Add it to your arsenal, particularly for live streaming. It is the best live stream real-time noise reduction plugin I've tested in my experience. And thank you so much to Waves for sponsoring this video. If you want to share your experience with Waves plugins, or maybe you want to see a set of presets that I could create for your live streams, drop your comments down below. And of course, all the links to everything I've mentioned in the video will be down in the description.